What are you doing? Wow, look at the ball. What you come and beat me up? Don't beat me up. Not the shoes. Now bite the shoes. You play with the ball. Are you gonna beat up on me? Don't beat me up. What are you doing? Leave my belt alone. Nope, leave it alone. What are you doing to me?
Aaron, you're all set. Great, thanks.
Why don't you play with the toys? That's why we buy you toys.
No, I get that part, but you guys are doing my move.
Discount double chip?
It's my touchdown dance.
So you're a
How about this?
dancer?
No, quarterback. Oh, quarterback.
Aaron Rodgers got his. How about you? Get to a better steak. Steak farm. Always. Wild man. Our idiot brother.
What's the funniest thing you've ever seen? Probably like Anchorman or something, right?
I haven't seen anything.
Oh, what are you doing to me?
Today on Blu-ray and DVD.
You're beating me up.
Today I discovered all about force. The harness and leather favorite bug bones.
What are you doing? Da, da, da. You a superhero? What does a superhero say? Huh? What does a superhero say? Does a superhero say da da da? Oh, you're biting my head.